you know, I'm giving it my honest opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. It comes in this plastic bag with all of the reusable pads in here. You also get a little bag that comes with it, but I'm gonna get into all of that. I just want to say that this is a really good product if it's for like women who are trying to transition into eco-friendly products when it comes to their menstrual cycles. I know a lot of people are into it. They actually have a storefront on Amazon, so I will leave the link below in the description box. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. You do get 6 reusable pads. This is 5 here. I have the 6th one folded up because this is basically to show y'all how you would you know, wrap it up before you put it into your little bag, which I'm about to show y'all right now. This is the bag. It has like a little zipper in it and has like a little wristlet on it. Me, if I were carrying it around during the day, I would put this in a bag, not necessarily like in a purse or something. I wouldn't put it on my wrist, but they do have like a little wristlet on it. So that's cute. I like how it's just dark, plain black. You know, I wouldn't want my bag to be too vibrant, even though nobody really knows what's going on in here. Like, still, I would want it to be like a dark color. So I do like the fact that it's black. It has like a kind of silky feel to it. This is what the pad looks like. This is what it looks like on the back. Like I said, I like the dark colored. It's not, you know, nothing too bright, too much, drawing too much attention. Even though you're gonna be the only one wearing it, still you have the bag, which is a dark color. It's black. So yeah, these are the flaps. So of course you know, you would place this on your panty line. I didn't even notice until it was time for me to try one out, which I did wear overnight, and I'll talk about that. But that it has 2 different snap adjustments. So that's actually really good, because when I first saw them, I was like, I don't know if these are gonna fit like snug enough. You know, you want to feel secure when you're wearing a pad, so that's good. So of course you got the flaps here. You can snap it right here, and if that's not tight enough, you can go over one more like that. Let's get into this really soft material right here. I don't really know how to explain the material, but it's really soft, super soft, which I feel like was so comfortable. Like, so I did wear this at night because it's not a product that I would wear on a regular basis. I probably would not use these every single menstrual cycle, just because the whole like disposing of them and then having to wash them, which I'll get into how I washed mine. This was really comfortable though. Like, I wore it overnight, and I also wouldn't wear it like, I mean, of course it's your preference, but for me, I decided to wear one when it was, you know, at the end of my cycle. I didn't really wear it in the first like 2 days, because that's when my flow is heavier. I would not wear these all the time. Like, if anything, overnight, that way, you know, I'm getting up in the morning, I can wash it and do, you know, take care of it that way. I really wouldn't carry them around during the day. It's just not really my thing. I rather just, you know, dispose it and keep it moving. When I did take mine off, after I wore it overnight, I basically like washed them, hand washed it. I didn't like throw it in a wash machine because I don't know, I just felt more comfortable washing it like this, and then I washed it separate in the wash machine. For those that will be wearing their HighOh reusable pads throughout the day, and you're gonna have your little baggie with you, the starter kit bag that I just showed y'all with the wristlet, this is how you would want to go about, you know, folding down your pad, putting it in the bag until, you know, well, I guess when you're about to go switch it out with the other one, you just roll it down like this. Hopefully y'all can see. Just roll it down, and then you have the snaps here to where you can literally, oh gosh, snap it like that, and boom. I didn't do it any type of special way. I literally just made sure I folded it down. This keeps it secure. You have the snap down. Literally, you do not have to worry about it unraveling at all. Put it in the bag, and then you can change to your next one. Overall, I do feel like this is a good product for women who are thinking about transitioning over to eco-friendly products, or if you just want to test it out and just see, you might like it. For me personally, I don't really, you know, I probably will not wear them. The only time I would consider actually wearing them would be like I did wearing it overnight. They are comfortable, so I would say that, like, super comfortable. It barely felt like I had anything there. It was comfortable, not as irritating as a regular pad. So yes, I definitely give them a plus for that. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link below. If you are thinking about, you know, starting into eco-friendly products for your period, definitely take a look at their website. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this review. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.